The secret to youthful skin is not hidden in some ridiculously expensive bottle of serum. I'm not kidding, spending hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars on creams and potions that all promise to turn back the clock. This serum and cream help the outer layer of your skin with minimal results. So the real secret is not in your bathroom cabinet at all, but in your grocery cart. How could a few simple foods do what a high-tech lab couldn't? Focused on eating 5 specific powerhouse foods, and see a real change in your skin texture. Your skin will start feeling more hydrated, looking brighter, and those little lines around your eyes will soften. So in this video I'm going to share exactly what those 5 foods are, and the science of how they actually work. We're often told that aging is inevitable, and that wrinkles are just part of the deal. But what we're not told is how much control we actually have over how our skin ages. A lot of the visible signs of aging are driven by our lifestyle, and a huge piece of that puzzle is nutrition. Things like free radicals from pollution and sun exposure are constantly attacking our skin cells, breaking down our precious collagen and leading to wrinkles. At the same time, diets high in sugar can cause something called glycation, which basically makes our skin's support structure stiff and less flexible. But here's the good news. The right foods give our bodies the tools to fight back. They are packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential vitamins that protect our skin, help rebuild its structure, and give us that healthy, radiant glow from the inside out. 1. Red bell peppers. Alright, the first food that really started to make a difference for my skin is the vibrant, crunchy, and incredibly versatile red bell pepper. I know it sounds almost too simple, but you can't underestimate this vegetable. Red bell peppers are one of the best sources of vitamin C you can find. Yes, even more than an orange. And study after study shows a link between people who eat a lot of vitamin C-rich foods and having fewer wrinkles over time. So, why is vitamin C such a superstar for our skin? Its main job is to help with collagen production. You can think of collagen as the scaffolding for your skin. It's the protein that gives your skin its firmness and elasticity. As we get older, our natural collagen production slows way down, which leads to sagging and wrinkles. Vitamin C is a critical piece of the puzzle that essentially tells your body to build new collagen. When you give your body plenty of vitamin C, you're helping it maintain that plump, firm skin structure. But that's not all. Red bell peppers are also loaded with powerful antioxidants called carotenoids. These are the pigments that give them that brilliant red color. Carotenoids are fantastic at helping protect your skin from sun damage and all the environmental junk we face every day. They act like a personal bodyguard for your skin cells, neutralizing the free radicals that cause damage. I made a point to add sliced raw red bell peppers to my lunch salad every day. Their sweet, crisp texture was an amazing bonus, but knowing I was feeding my skin the building blocks for collagen was the real reward. Avocados. The second food on this list is a fan favorite for a very good reason. The creamy, delicious avocado. Avocados are so much more than a trendy toast topping. They are a goldmine of nutrients for your skin. They are loaded with healthy fats that help calm inflammation and are absolutely essential for promoting smooth, supple skin. If you feel like your skin is always dry or dull, avocados can be a total game changer. What makes avocados so great is their unique blend of nutrients. First off, they are rich in monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats are key to keeping your skin's natural moisture barrier strong. Think of it as a seal that keeps moisture locked in, making your skin look hydrated and plump. On top of that, some early studies have suggested that eating avocados regularly may even help improve skin elasticity and firmness. Avocados are also a fantastic source of vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that works as a team with vitamin C. Vitamin E is especially good at protecting the skin from the kind of oxidative damage caused by UV rays. Now, it's not a replacement for your daily sunscreen, but think of it as an extra layer of defense from within. Start adding half an avocado to your daily routine, sometimes in a smoothie, other times just mashed on whole grain toast. The healthy fats kept me full, and I swear I could feel my skin becoming more hydrated and resilient. It just felt less tight and looked visibly more supple. 3. Fatty fish. Moving on to number 3. And this one is a powerhouse for reducing inflammation and keeping your skin hydrated from the inside out. Fatty fish. I'm talking about wild-caught salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These types of fish are the best possible dietary sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are famous for their amazing anti-aging and skin-soothing benefits. A lot of modern diets are heavy in another type of fat, omega-6, which can actually cause inflammation. Omega-3s do the exact opposite. They help calm things down, which is great for inflammatory skin conditions and reducing overall redness. This anti-inflammatory power is so important for keeping skin looking youthful, because chronic inflammation is one of the things that breaks down collagen and elastin. Beyond that, omega-3s are crucial for our skin cell membranes. They help keep that skin barrier strong and healthy, which is essential for holding on to moisture. This leads to softer, more hydrated skin and can reduce the appearance of those fine lines that always look worse when your skin is dry. Some research even suggests omega-3s can offer a bit of protection against UV radiation, though it's definitely not a substitute for sunscreen. Fatty fish also gives you a nice dose of vitamin E, which works with the omega-3s to keep your skin in top shape. Make sure to have a serving of wild salmon for dinner a few times a week. It is a way to get protein, while sending those essential fatty acids straight to your skin. Before we get to my last two foods, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to anti-aging food? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm always looking for new things to try and I love learning from you guys. For berries. The fourth food on my list is basically nature's candy. A beautiful bowl of mixed berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. They aren't just a delicious low-sugar treat. They are packed with some of the most potent anti-aging compounds you can eat. Their deep, rich colors are a dead giveaway that they're full of antioxidants, especially a type called anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are what give berries their gorgeous red, purple, and blue colors, and they are phenomenal at fighting oxidative stress. Every single day, our skin is dealing with free radicals from sunlight, pollution, and even stress. These little troublemakers damage our skin cells and degrade collagen, which leads to aging. The antioxidants in berries are like a defense army for your skin, stopping these free radicals in their tracks. This helps protect the collagen you already have and can slow down the visible signs of aging. And just like red bell peppers, berries are an amazing source of vitamin C. We already know how vital this vitamin is for firing up new collagen production, which helps keep the skin firm and smooth. So by giving you both protective antioxidants and the building blocks for collagen, berries offer a powerful 1-2 punch against skin aging. Start your mornings with a cup of mixed berries in yogurt or smoothie. It is such an easy and tasty way to flood your system with these skin-protecting nutrients first thing. 5. Sweet potatoes. Last but certainly not least, we have the humble, hearty sweet potato. These delicious root vegetables are an absolute powerhouse of an antioxidant called beta-carotene. That vibrant orange color comes directly from this nutrient. When you eat sweet potatoes, your body converts that beta-carotene into vitamin A, a nutrient that is absolutely critical for skin health and can even be thought of as a natural keratin booster. Vitamin A is a major player in skin cell turnover. This just means it helps your body get rid of old, dull skin cells and replace them with fresh, new ones. That process is essential if you want a smooth, even, and radiant complexion. It can help reduce the appearance of dark spots and give your skin a more uniform glow. On top of that, vitamin A helps restore skin elasticity, which we tend to lose as we age. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes may also act as a form of natural sun protection, helping to shield your skin cells from UV damage from the inside out, though again, it never replaces your sunscreen. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamins C and E, which adds to their antioxidant power and further protects your skin. I started swapping my usual side of rice or pasta for a sweet potato with dinner. It's not only more nutritious, but its natural sweetness is so satisfying. I truly believe the cell-renewing power from the vitamin A in sweet potatoes played a big part in the improvement I saw in my skin's texture and glow. So there you have it, the 5 foods that have genuinely helped transform skin. Red bell peppers, avocados, fatty fish, berries, and sweet potatoes. It turns out the secret to healthier-looking skin isn't some mythical, expensive elixir. It's right there in your grocery store. By focusing on a diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and collagen-boosting vitamins, you can nourish your skin from within, protect it from damage, and promote a truly youthful, radiant complexion. And remember to limit foods that can work against you, like refined sugars and heavily processed foods. The power to help rejuvenate your skin is quite literally on your plate. I really encourage you to try incorporating these 5 foods into your diet and see how you feel. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about using nutrition for your health and beauty, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to our health.